Hello everyone, welcome back to EST Experiments. In today's video, I am going to show you how to build a smart obstacle avoiding robot using Tuya T5 Development Board. So let's begin the full build from start to finish. Do you want to know about Tuya product? Visit www.tuya.com. After visiting their website, you will find product related videos. You can also know various information about the products. Here you can also learn about other products. You can see all the details on their official websites. From programming to pin diagram and uses instruction for the products sent to us by Tuya, you can do everything with the help of this website. To buy the Tuya T5 module, you can find it in the AliExpress link in the video descriptions. On this link, you can find the update price of the product. The price may be changed. Could you enter the link and see the update price? I have received these two products from the Tuya brand. One is the T5 AI board LCD. The other is the T5 AI board. Inside, it is the main motherboard or development board. Let's examine the contents of the boxes one by one. Their packaging quality is quite premium. Inside the box, we will find the T5 AI board. We will come to the details of the board in a moment. Let's open the display the box. On the back side of the box, product name, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, model T5E1 IPX, Face ID, 2AN, DL, input voltage and current, 5 volt 1 ampere, manufacturer, address and details. Anyway, let's unbox the box. We get a small size camera module with it. After that, we get the main unit. Tuya products will truly feel premium because their PCB quality, parts placement and soldering quality are all very professional. The model number of this LCD is T5 board 35565 LCD version 1.0.2. You can get numerous input-output on the T5 AI board. You can easily connect the LCD that comes with the board. T5E1 IPX has been used as the primary processor for this device. It has two microphones. There is a port for connecting speaker. There is a Type-C port, USB Type-A, SD card slot. To make our robot, we will need 4 DC gear motor, 4 wheels required. We will use L298N Motor Driver to control the motor. We will use Ultrasonic Sensor sensor to determine the distance of the robot. We will use buck converter module, LM2596 module to reduce the voltage. We will use two 18650 batteries for power supply. I have used a switch with the battery holder so that I can turn the on off with its help. I have cut PVC pipes to make such sheet to make the casing of the robot. Paint the sheet with the spray paint. Additionally, some nuts and bolts will be needed to assemble the casing and some connecting wires will be required. Let's quickly make the robot casing. Connect the motors to the casing with the help of glue gun. I will connect the ultrasonic sensor to the front of the robotic car. I will connect two motors to the motor driver at the each end of the motor drivers. One thing to keep in mind is that the ground of the motor driver and the T5 AI board must have a common ground. I have connected the motor driver and the battery middle of the casing. I will connect the T5 AI board using the double-sided cross tab at the top. For power supply to the T5 board, I have used a buck converter from 218650 battery and supply it through USB Type-C. Understand the robot's connections effectively, you need to be familiar circuit diagram and coding. This is the complete circuit diagram of our robot. We will reduce 8.4 volt to 6 volt using the LM2596 buck converter module. Then we will connect it to 12 volts motor driver and ground. If you notice, you will see that the ground pin of the motor driver module has been made common with the T5 board, and the T20, T22, T24, T26 pin have been connected to the in1, in2, in3, in4 motor driver pins. The VCC of the ultrasonic sensor has been connected to 5 volts of the T5 board, the ground pin to ground pin, the trigger pin to pin 16 and the echo pin to pin 18. Here we have taken 8.4 volts from 2 more batteries. The 6 to 12 volts convert from the battery has been made 5 volt so that we can supply power to the T5 board using Type-C. I have coded it using Arduino IDE. Before writing the code, you need to some work. From the file, go to Preferences, copy and paste this link into the additional board manager URL. You will find the link in the video description. Then go to the board option and search for Tuya. Then you will find Tuya open. Install it, then download the program that I will provide in the video description. If the code compiles properly, then everything is fine. Then you can just upload the code and it will work. Let's see how the robot behaves according to this code. If you want, you can update the codes and make it more intelligent. The robot is now fully assembled and running perfectly. As you can see, whenever the robot detects an object in the front of it, it automatically stops and takes a turn to avoid the obstacle. In the code I am working on, the robot only turns in one direction to navigate. The robot keeps turning in one direction. So I am updating the code by changing it a little. In this code, I am at this section. Here is if distance greater than 16, stop robot, delay 500 millisecond, move backward, delay 80 second. Here is changes. Before it was 400. So I am changes it to delay 80 millisecond. Turn left and delay 100 millisecond. Else move forward. Okay. So here is changes. Let's see. Here is start uploading the code. The code has been uploaded properly. Now let's see how the robot behaves. And that's it for today's project, an obstacle avoiding robot using the Tuya T5 development board. You can upgrade this robot with Wi-Fi control, app control, or even AI-based navigation. If you enjoy this video, like this video, comment your thoughts, subscribe to the EST Experiment channel for more amazing DIY video.